My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today I am with the 13th lecture on nomenclature of organic compounds titled Nomenclature of acid amides, simply amides. From this lesson, the points to be learnt are general formula of amides, classification of amides, definition of amides, trivial system to name the amides, and IUPAC system to name the amides with some examples. So, dear students, let's begin. First of all, let's see the general formula of acid amides. This is a CONH2. It can be written as structure formula like this. Here, this is the functional group of acid amides, CONH2. The name of this group is amido group. Here R may be hydrogen, alkyl group or aryl group. So simply this is the general formula of acid amides, RCONH2. Here this is the functional group of acid amides. Let's see the next point. The point is now classification of amides. Already we have learned the general formula of acid amides. Here nitrogen atom is linked up with only one carbon atom. That is why this amide is called 1 degree of primary amide. When one hydrogen of amido group is replaced by any alkyl group, suppose this one, then here nitrogen atom is linked up with two carbon atoms. Here one carbon and this is another carbon. Since this nitrogen atom is linked up with two carbon atoms, that is why it is called 2 degree amides or secondary amides. When the another hydrogen is replaced by another alkyl group, suppose this one, here we see this nitrogen atom is linked up with three carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. That is why this amide is called 3 degree amide or tertiary amide. Let's move on to the next point. Now the point is definition of amides. Amides will be defined from reaction. That is why here there is written reaction. Let's see the reaction from which amides are prepared. First of all, carboxylic acids is taken. This is liquid in state, and ammonia gas is passed here. This is ammonia NH2, and when it is heated, then water is eliminated and amide is formed. Let's see the amide. RCONH2. This is solid in state and water is removed. So here we see this compound is produced from carboxylic acid. That is why this amide is called derivative of carboxylic acid. Now let's see the definition. That is, the derivatives of carboxylic acids in which OH part of carboxyl group from carboxylic acids is replaced by NH2 part or amino group, then the compound formed is called acid amides or simply amides. Or simply definition can be when OH part of carboxyl group from carboxylic acid is replaced by amino group, that means NH2 part, then the compounds formed are called carboxylic acids, are called acid amides or simply amides. Let's move on to the next point. The point is now trivial system to name the amides. Here these 3 points are to be kept in mind, that is corresponding carboxylic acid and the common name of these carboxylic acids. That means common name means trivial system name, and here ic acid is converted to amide. Let's see some examples. First of all, the name of this compound is formamide. Let's see how this compound, the name of this compound is formamide. Its corresponding carboxylic acid is formic acid. Now ic acid is converted to amide, then we can write, then amide will come here. Now it's formamide. Let's see another example. Let's say the name of this compound CH3CONH2. Its name is acetamide. Let's see how its name is acetamide. Its corresponding carboxylic acid is CH3COOH. Its name is, common name is acetic acid. Now ic acid is replaced by amide, then we will get acetamide. Let's see the name of this compound. It's a 2-degree amide or secondary amide because nitrogen atom is linked up with 2 carbon atoms. Here one carbon, here another carbon. Now let's see the name of this compound. This is methyl acetamide. This methyl group is linked up with nitrogen. That is why its name is methyl acetamide, or we can write N-methyl acetamide. Because methyl group is linked up with nitrogen, that is why N-methyl acetamide, or simply we can write methyl acetamide. Let's see another example. It's a kind of 3-degree amide, that is already discussed. Nitrogen atom is linked up with 3 carbon atoms, that is why it is 3-degree amide, and its name is, there are 2 methyl groups with nitrogen atom, that is why here NN dimethyl acetamide. Let's move on to the next point. The point is now IUPAC system to name the amides. Here these 3 points are to be kept in mind, that is corresponding carboxylic acid, IUPAC name of the acid, and oic acid is converted to amide. Let's see some examples. First of all, This is the amide. Its name is methanamide. Let's see how its name is methanamide. Its corresponding carboxylic acid is this. Its name is IUPAC name, methanoic acid. This oic acid, according to point number 3, this oic acid is replaced by amide. Then we get methanamide. Methanamide. Let's see the name of this compound, CH3CONH2. Its name is ethanamide. Let's see, that is, its corresponding carboxylic acid is CH3COOH, that is ethanoic acid. This oic acid is replaced by amide. Then we'll get ethanamide. Let's see the name of this compound. Here there is a methyl group linked up with nitrogen. That is why its name will be N-methyl ethanamide. Simply N-methyl ethanamide. The name of this compound is N,N-dimethyl ethanamide. Here this is methyl group, this is methyl group are linked up with nitrogen. So its name will be N,N-dimethyl ethanamide. Another compound is this compound is the derivative of benzoic acid. That is why its name is benzamide. Dear students, know it today. Thank you very much. Take care.